Welcome back. In this video, I want to talk about the importance of spelling, word choice, and grammar. The importance of these things to becoming a professional copywriter that earns top dollar cannot be understated because one grammatical error, one spelling mistake, and too many ill-chosen words will effectively lose you many contracts. Let's have a look at this article here. And again, we're just using this as an example. No disrespect is intended to the author. I'm just going to pick the first paragraph and make some general points based on what I read. It is often iterated in today's world. First of all, there's no need to use these overly elaborate words. It is often iterated. It looks like this person simply picked up a thesaurus. It is often expressed, well, what's a number of synonyms for expressed, and one of them is iterated. So keep things simple in your word choice. It is often iterated in today's world that life has become extremely stressful, and we should keep practicing or looking for ways to calm our minds in order to lead a healthy life. There's a few points I want to make here. We should keep practicing what? This verb is unspecified. This is what is called an unspecified verb because it doesn't really indicate what is being practiced. So you should keep practicing meditation or looking for other ways to calm our minds in order to lead a healthy life. Now notice that this article is written in the third person, third person. Our lives, us. And if you read down here, we. It is also widely known by now that meditation is an old but one of the most effective ways to reduce stress. This sentence is a bit clunky. By now that meditation is an old but effective way to reduce stress. So in terms of singular versus plural, this is a problem. This is a grammatical error, and it will lead you to lose big contracts. So you really need to iron out these small grammatical errors if you want to earn top dollar copywriting. Let's continue. However, many of us, especially beginners, struggle to reach that point during meditation that is recommended by experts as the point where the mind is finally calm. This sentence can be rewritten to be much more succinct. Struggle to reach that point during meditation that is recommended by experts at the point where it just keeps on going on and on. It's a bit circular as well. You can be a much more efficient by indicating this point only once. Right now it's mentioned twice. Let me pause the video and rewrite this so you guys can get an idea for what I mean. And here is what I've done. However, many of us, especially beginners, struggle to reach that point during meditation where the mind is finally calm. That is a much more powerful, succinct sentence. And one of the points that I want to raise in this video is that keep your sentences short and powerful and to the point. Let's continue. Here we will see some of the handy tips that enable you to achieve a considerably successful stage during the process of meditation. What is this considerably successful stage? You really need to be specific because your readers want to know specific outcomes. They want to know, what am I going to get out of this article? Tips for successful meditation. I mean, if you watch the previous video, you'll be able to recognize that this title needs a lot of work. A lot of work. But let's leave that to one side for the moment. A considerably successful stage during the process of meditation. You really need to outline and make it specific. What does this successful stage look like? What is it? Help you to achieve a successful state of calmness during the process of meditation. That seems to me to be a lot more effective and a lot more clear. A lot clearer. So, one thing that she's done very well is to use this tip system, tip 1, the dustbin method. I quite like this, absolutely. But again, the grammatical issues really, if I could anthropomorphize this article, shoot the article in the foot. This article is let down by the grammatical errors and the poorly selected words used. And I only really need to read this first paragraph, this introductory paragraph, to show you the effect of poor grammar and poor word choice, because I can guarantee you that people won't read past this sentence. It simply won't happen. And if you expect to land a top contract using this as a sample, for example, you've got no chance. So, hopefully you've taken a lot of information out of this video. I mean, I tried to show you using a live example how poorly selected words and grammatical errors, and if there were any spelling mistakes, I didn't detect any, but any spelling mistakes need to be eliminated from your copy, 100%. So thank you for watching.